Hello, this is Carrie Claypool with your DIY for the day, and today we are going to be scenting lotion. Now in the future we may have a recipe where you actually make the lotion base from like coconut oil, which you can do, but you can also buy coconut lotion. So this is the brand, see if you can see it, that I use. It's ethical trade, there's no fragrances. They use coffee berry, coconut oil, coconut water, so it's all very safe ingredients. There's a little bit of a scent from coconut, but there's no harmful fragrances. So you want to make sure that you limit your exposure to fragrances, as they cause headaches and hormone imbalances, and you can Google, side effects of fragrances. And really, fragrance can mean anything. It could be any kind of chemical, and they just say that it's a fragrance. So you really don't even know what you're using. So we're going to be starting with this base today, and I've got some that I need to refill, and then one I'm going to do new. So for this one, I'm going to do cedarwood, lavender, and cypress, and so it's going to be really good for sleep. So I've almost used it up, so I'm just going to fill this mostly up with lotion. You want to make sure you leave enough room so that we can mix up the essential oils. So I'm going to use 3 drops of cypress, 3 drops of lavender, and then 3 drops of cedarwood. Now this has a nice scent for men or women and for kids. And again, it'll be really good to put on before bedtime. And you can add more of the cedarwood or lavender or cypress if you want it to be, stronger scented in one of them. I'm just going to shake that up, and it is ready to go. It smells nice, a nice even scent. Now for this one, I am going to use, it's called Valor. And Valor is black spruce, blue tansy, frankincense, geranium. And again, it has a nice scent for men or women. You can use it as for perfume or cologne. And so I have this bottle here that I'm going to throw in my purse, and that way I can have it out with me. And let's move this over so you can see. Give it a couple of pumps. I want it a little bit more than halfway, again, so that we're able to get the essential oil scent all throughout the bottle. Let's see. These are dark colored bottles to protect the oil, so sometimes it's hard to see how much is left in the bottle. I'm going to put about 10 drops. And you can see that it's blue. That's from the blue tansy. And it is thicker than some of the others, so it's a little bit slow coming out. And I have not found, even using the Valor straight without mixing it, I've not found that it has stained any of my clothing. Okay. Oops, mix this up. Now you want to be sure and make a label for it, which I have. You can get some cute labels or colored labels, or even print some off the computer. I just have address labels here that I will write Valor and put on the side. And this is ready to go. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you do, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn more about DIY recipes and join our community on Facebook, you can find me at Every Single Drop with Carrie Claypool. And I hope to hear from you, and see you next time.